This is a 1-to-1 full servo automatic flat mask making machine. The whole machine adopts full servo control system for precise and stable operation. Compact structure integrates feeding, edge pressing, folding, cutting and ear loop welding. Automatic multi-layer non-woven feeding with uniform tension and no deviation. Precise servo positioning ensures firm edge pressing and smooth mask texture. High-speed continuous forming ensures standard size and high consistency of finished masks. Fully automatic ultrasonic ear loop welding with firm and durable solder joints. Fully automatic operation with minimal manual intervention. Fast response and stable start-stop effectively reduce the defective rate. Intelligent touchscreen control with adjustable parameters, simple and convenient operation. Stably produces disposable civil and medical flat protective masks. Fully meet the large-scale and standardized mass production needs of mask factories.